Whether they are organized to fight pandemics and respond to natural disasters or accomplish normal day-to-day work, groups have become increasingly essential to coordinating and accomplishing tasks in and across organizations. But for individuals involved in group work, what sources of information do they draw on when they recall successful and unsuccessful group experiences? Across 3 studies with participants from a variety of different types of organizations, researchers discovered that group outcomes, such as reaching pre-established goals, played only minor roles as sources of cues for determining whether or not groups are successful. Instead, participants leaned more heavily on their interpretations of other group members' motivation, affect, and the extent to which the group developed a common understanding. For instance, group members made judgments about the effort and initiative that other individuals exerted and used those judgments as cues for whether the group had been successful. This research suggests exciting new directions for understanding groups by highlighting the insights that researchers and practitioners can gain from tapping directly into the recollections of group members themselves. Want to know more about the cues that are key in successful and unsuccessful groups? If so, then you may want to read this paper.